What's up you guys, I'll do one more video and this one is on Pig Finance token. Not been doing so well for the last day or so. Yesterday it dropped down massively. Right now it's recovering actually, slowly but surely. Just that bearish trend looks like it's going bullish right now. As you can see in the last hour, 7.8%. Still massive gains in the last 30 days, 1065%. I went over the whole thing in the last video, so if you haven't seen that yet, go check out that video if you want. Started trading in March, been stable for a very long time, but it got listed on some sites. Hotbit was listed yesterday. So I actually expected a bigger spike yesterday, but instead it did exactly the opposite of that for hours. So we saw a massive drop. People started panicking, started grabbing the money out. And I think here is the lowest point right here. And now we're only gonna see a rise. So this is the roadmap right here, guys. They got a lot of things done, the CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing. Website looks great. And the marketing push is going to happen very, very soon. When this happens, I think this coin is going to explode, guys. I don't know exactly what the marketing strategy is, but maybe they're gonna get some YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagram pages on board with lots of followers pushing this coin. So it's good to get in before that marketing push, because once that market push comes, and you invested before that, right now it's at a low, so you can get it at a really good price actually. You can make some quick gains, or you could even wait for a longer time and see if it develops even more, see what's gonna happen with Pig token. They're gonna get the Pig merchandise as well. And another big event that is going to happen is when they get the new top exchange launches. That is going to push the coin also further. So you could definitely invest in this one for the long term. And like I said, right now it is at a really good price. You can get it on a low price before it starts spiking up again. Right now it is looking like it's out of that bearish trend right now, going into that bullish trend again, and it seems promising, guys. So Pig Finance, still a good investment I think, and great plans for the future. Maybe I'll even get that big merchandise once it really starts going. So anyways, I will give you an update in about a week or so, or maybe even earlier if something massive happens. Thank you so much for the beautiful comments on the 5,000 subscriber special. It really means so much to me. It warms my heart to read all those messages. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.